Hey everybody, this is my 1 year since I had my surgery on my neck. It was the C3, C4, C4, C5, C5, 6. It's been 1 year. As you can see, here's the scar right here on my neck, right up here. Everything's been fine. I haven't had any problems. I know that there's been some videos out there about people complaining about the 1 year, things that you don't know or the doctors didn't tell you after 1 year. But basically, after 1 year, as you can see, I'm great, man. You know, I can look up, all the way down. I still can't touch my chest by a half an inch. I can turn to the left, turn to the right. So I got some pretty good mobility. I have no pain at all on my neck or on my arms, my shoulders. No more numbness. As soon as the surgery was done, I was fine. Basically, I never had any therapy from my doctor. So the only thing I can tell you is, if you're going to have this kind of surgery, do your research, do your homework. Make sure you research the doctor. Ask former patients that had the surgery. In my case, the doctor said he had 1,000 of these, and I had other references, and I researched about the internet. He was voted best doctor of the year in the nation in Texas several years running. So also, you need to follow doctor's orders. I know I didn't drive for at least 6 weeks. I wore my brace for 6 weeks. After 6 months to the day when I went to go see my doctor, he gave me clearance. He said I was good to go. I could go back to my normal activities, but I basically decided to forego all that and do it for 1 year, because he had also told me that it takes about 1 year for the bone to fully fuse on your neck. And so basically what I did, I've taken it easy. So today's been 1 year, and I'm going to start riding my jet ski. I'm going to start golfing, hunting, shooting, doing the things that I like to do, and I'm feeling great. I sleep good at night. I can sleep on my side. Before I couldn't sleep on my side because my arm would go numb, so now I can sleep on my side, right, left, back. I have no problems at all, no pain, no injury. I'm fully functional, 100%, like as if I would have never had this surgery before. So if you're worried about that, I know I had a friend of mine that has had like 3 of these surgeries from the same doctor, grant you, in about 3 years, and it's all because recently, basically, it was his fault, because as soon as he had the surgery, he started feeling fine. He went boating, he went shooting, he went hunting, and it wouldn't fuse correctly. So the only advice I can give you, if you are going to do this surgery, follow the doctor's orders. Don't do anything strenuous. Don't drive for 6 weeks, and that's for your safety, because if somebody rear ends you, you're going to have problems. So you don't want to drive for at least 6 weeks. And if you don't do anything strenuous, no activities, and take it easy for at least a year, I guarantee you'll be just like I am right now. You'll be fine, and you won't have any regrets. So basically, the 3 things: find yourself a good doctor, a good surgeon. When you have the surgery, follow the doctor's orders to the letter, and just make sure that your neck fuses, and also wear your brace as much as you can. I know with my brace, I slept with it all the time, and it helped me. It would help me support my neck to keep it, and also if you can sleep in a bed that's prompted, a little bit tilted up, that'll help you also. But other than that, I don't know. On my last video, you could see that was on my neck. Now you could see how it's fused already. They took that video about 6 months later, and it's pretty much, I don't know if you can see that, but they're starting to focus right there. There's the pins and the bone in my thing. It's fused rather nicely. But anyway, check out my first video. I made a video after 2 weeks post-op, and then I made one after a 3-month or 12-week post-op, and now I'm making the 1-year post-op, so everybody can see how I'm doing, and I'm doing fine. And so no regrets. If you're thinking about having the surgery, don't be scared. Just do your homework, and hopefully you'll be fine. I know there's a bunch of other horror stories out there, and a bunch of videos that people have posted that have had bad experiences. But my personal experience, my opinion, I had no problem with it. I came out great, and I think it was all I can't remember the word, but it was all because of I found a good doctor, and I followed the doctor's orders to the letter. Anyway, thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video, and maybe I'll see you in another year from now. Later.